Use the Layers panel to keep different parts of your work separate. The currently active layer will have an illuminated pencil. I have drawn a sketch on the first layer. I'm going to start my mesh on a new layer to keep it separate from my sketch. Click the plus sign to create a new layer. Click the pencil icon on the newly created layer to start editing on it. Changes you make will only affect the currently active layer. Color picking will only work on the currently active layer. In order to color pick from my sketch, I have to activate my sketch layer. To temporarily hide my sketch layer, I can click on the eye icon. This lets me get a better look at my mesh. Note that I cannot hide the layer I am currently working on. Now, I'm going to create the petals of my flower on a new layer. Notice that while I'm editing my petals layer, I can't move or make any changes to my leaf layer. Also, points that I'm moving will not be able to snap to points on the leaf layer. I'm ready to paint my artwork. Just like mesh editing, the paintbrush will only affect the currently active layer. To paint my leaves, I'll first activate the leaf layer. As you can see, my paintbrush will not affect my other layers. If I like, I can hide my other layers completely to see the leaves better. I'll finish painting the rest of my flower. Painting the center of the flower would have been especially difficult to do without accidentally coloring the petals. Since I kept them on different layers, I had no problem. Finally, I don't need my sketch anymore, so I can delete that layer by clicking the delete button. If I want to see my layers set against a different background color, I can change the background color using the Fill Background button at the bottom of the Layers panel. I'll set a color I want for the background, and click Fill. And my drawing is finished.